Welcome back to this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade in Xtrend speed. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Xtrend speed, click on the open account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, trading on Xtrend speed involves several key steps from setting up your account to executing trades, alright? Now, number one is, once you've created your account here in Xtrend speed, I need you to hover to the download the trading platform. So these are your options. You can download the mobile trading app on the App Store for iOS user, and for Android user, you can get it on Google Play. You can also download for the PC trading app for Mac OS and Windows, but if you prefer the web trading platform, click on the eWeb. All right, now once you do and download all these options whenever comfortable with, when you open the trading platform, you would be directed here. Now, as you can see, you have all these options that you can use. Now, as you can see, you have the option to buy and sell. You can have the deposit funds. Once your account is set up, to go to the deposit section, you can choose your preferred payments. For example, the credit card, debit card, bank transfer, e-wallet, and cryptocurrency. You can click on the more options, so you can use the Binance Pay, and of course you can choose the amount that you wanted to deposit. And from the currency type, you can choose from USD and a lot more different currency that you can choose from here. You can also go to the withdraw options. So these are the options that you can, and if you wanted to add a new bank card, just go and click on this option. But remember, when you go to the trading platform, you can always explore the features that's in here to familiarize yourself with the platform's feature, including charts, right? So just this one, technical analysis tools, and trading options. But if there's a demo account that I don't know if available, please use that to practice trading without risking real money, because the demo would give you an ample time to practice and trade and get some strategic movement before you select an asset to trade. Of course, you can go to the market view or search for specific assets you are interested in, for example, forex pairs, stocks, and commodities. And from there, review the assets details, including current price, historical performance, and news. Now, if you have more questions on how to trade here on Xtrend speed, you might want to click on the customer service option. And from here, these are your options to ask them. Type in a message right here. You can send. Of course, you can also add an image or a supplemental file that you wanted. One of the customer staff will be more than glad to assist you on how to trade in Xtrend speed. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.